Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Wave 7 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Yu Asaka and made from acrylic. Difficulty level of the Wave Puzzle 7 is 9 out of 10 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 7 orange pieces into the frame. But as you can see, you can easily fit 6 parts inside, but there is piece number 7 that you can't fit. You can try to rearrange the parts. As you can see, each piece has a unique shape and it has cutouts on one side and it is a little bit wider on the other side. So maybe by switching the pieces and figuring out where each piece is supposed to go, you will find a way how to fit another piece. But as you can see, I rearranged it. Maybe I can do something with this piece as well and put it right here, you may say. I will free a lot more space for the next piece and maybe even remove this part and put this piece here. And that is the almost optimal way how to fit 6 parts inside, but still I don't have enough space to fit the last piece. So this puzzle is not so easy as it looks, and it will take you quite some time to figure out the solution. And believe me, the solution is unique, it is very interesting, and it will really surprise you as solutions of many other puzzles designed by Yu Asaka. So if you like the Wave 7 puzzle and you want to buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.